Pronunciation of English vowel sounds. Lesson 2. Front vowels. Part 2. Among these front vowel sounds, do you remember which ones are long and which ones are short? The long sounds are E and A. The short sounds are I, E, A. Now these are the basic qualities, the basic sounds that they have, but the length can change depending on the surrounding sounds once it's inside a word. Let me explain by giving an example. Let's do feet and feed. Feet, feed. Let me say them again and see if you can hear which one has a longer vowel sound. Feet, feed. Feet, feed. This has a longer vowel sound because the D is a voice sound. D, D. T is unvoiced, voiceless, no sound. T, T, T. No sound from our voice. T, D. So when there is a voiced consonant sound after a vowel sound, the vowel sound becomes longer. The vowel sound is shorter when it's followed by a voiceless consonant. So this has the same vowel sound, E, but it's shorter here and longer here. So depending on what follows the vowel sound, it can be shorter or longer. Watch also if we have no following consonant sound. Fee, fee. It's long, isn't it? So here, fee and feed have a long vowel sound. Here, it's a bit shorter because of that T that follows, the voiceless consonant. All right? Let me throw one more thing at you. Let's take the same sound and talk about these words. T and pretty. T has this sound, and pretty at the end, the Y, has this sound, right? But where is the sound longer? T, pretty. Here we have the E sound, and it's not followed by any consonant sound, so it's nice and long. Here, it's not followed by anything, but it's not stressed. This first half of the word, this first syllable, is stronger. This second half is weaker. It's not stressed. So when you have this vowel sound in an unstressed syllable, it's a shorter sound. T, pretty. T, pretty. So to summarize, vowel sounds are longer when they are not followed by a consonant sound, when they're followed by a voiced consonant sound, and when they're stressed. They're shorter in weaker positions. Vowel sounds are shorter when they're not stressed, or when they're followed by a voiceless consonant. Exercise. Answer the questions. 1. Say kiss and case. Which vowel sound is longer? The A in case is longer. 2. Say cage and case. Which vowel sound is longer? The A in cage is longer because it's followed by a voiced consonant, j. In contrast, the A in case is followed by a voiceless consonant, s. Again, cage, case. 3. Say ki and k. For which vowel sound is your mouth more open? Your mouth should be more open for the A and K. 4. Say kid and cat. For which vowel sound is your mouth more open? Your mouth should be more open for the A in cat. 5. Say bed and bad. For which vowel sound is your mouth more relaxed? It should be more relaxed for the E in bed. Remember, for front vowels, you need to spread your lips, but note that your mouth is more tense for the vowel sounds E, A, A, and your mouth is more relaxed for the vowel sounds I, E. Also, move your tongue forward, but keep the very tip down near the back of your bottom front teeth. Open your mouth more as you say the front vowels from E to A. E, I, A, A. Your mouth should open more and more as you go through that sequence. And finally, note that short vowel sounds are I, E, A. And long vowel sounds are E, A. Let's say our front vowel sounds one last time. E, I, A, E, A. E, I, A, A. Additional practice for this lesson is available at EnglishCafe.com. Please follow the direct link listed in the video description. I hope you found this lesson useful. That's all for now. Thanks for watching and happy studies!